Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-mu'allif rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi'ulumihi fid dharaini amin rabbi yasir wa a'in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. So guys, exactly we are going to be learning again about jurisprudence of law in Islam or fiqh. And obviously in this time or in this chapter, we are going to be learning about awqatus salat or times for praying, right? So what does these chapters look like? So let's check it out, right? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun, new chapter or new sections. Awqatus sholati khamsun, awalu waqti dhuhri zawalu syamsi ila akhirih. Awqatus sholati, times for praying. Awqatus sholati, times for praying. Khamsun, there are 5 times. So exactly, as a Muslim in Islam, we have 5 times for doing praying, right? Starting from zuhur, asar, and then maghrib, isya, subuh, until zuhur again. So Islam dividing time for praying to be 5 parts or 5 items. So what are they? Firstly, awalu waqti zuhri, the beginning of time for praying zuhur. Awalu waqti zuhri, the beginning times for praying zuhur. Zawalu syamsi is when the sun is moving from the center, from the sky, right? So exactly when you are seeing the sun is moving from the center, from the sky, it means, or it can be indications that duhur times is coming, right? So indications for praying duhur is zawalu syamsi, when the sun is moving from the center of the sky. This is number 1. And then wa akhiruhu, and the last time for praying duhur, masiru dhilli syai'i, when the shadow from every single thing. Masiru dhilli syai'i, when the shadow from every single thing, to be in the same, right? To be in the same with what? Mithlahu, to be in the same with that thing. So akhiruhu, or the last time for praying duhur, is when every single thing being the same. When the shadow from every single thing to be the same with that thing, right? This actually indications the time for praying duhur is up, right? And then ghairi dhilil istiwa, except the shadow from something in istiwa time. This is actually just for exceptions, right? And then wa awalu waqtil asri, and as for the beginning for praying asar. Wa awalu waqtil asri, and as for the beginning from praying asar or for praying asar. Idha soro, when becomes, what is becoming, dhillu kulli syai'in, every single shadow from everything, to be becoming from what? Mithlahu, becomes to be the same with that thing, right? Exactly. Awalu waqtil asri, the beginning of praying asar is actually the beginning of praying asar actually is the time when praying duhur is up, right? It means when duhur times is up, it means asar times is coming, right? This is actually the meaning of masiru dhilli kulli syai'in mithlahu. But wazata, and to be increasing, qalilan, little bit, but by the adding of the time, zata qalilan, or little bit moving, right? And then wa akhiruhu, and the last time for praying asar, ghurubu syamsi, is when the sunset is coming. When the sunset is coming, it means time for praying asar is up, right? Or we can be praying asar again, because praying asar, the timing for praying asar is up. Ghurubu syamsi. And then wa awalu waqtil maghrib, and the beginning of praying maghrib. Wa awalu waqtil maghrib, and the beginning of praying maghrib. Ghurubu syamsi is the first time of sunset, right? Ghurubu syamsi is the first time from sunset, can means or can indicate that Maghrib times is coming. Wa akhiruhu, and the last time for praying Maghrib, ghurubu syafaqi, when the twilight is disappear. So when the twilight is disappear, this is actually one of indications that time for praying Maghrib is up, right? It means we cannot praying Maghrib again because time is up. And then Ghurubu Syafaqi al-Ahmari, twilight which is has a red color, right? And then wa awalu waqtil isya'i, and as for the beginning, I'm so sorry. Wa awalu waqtil isya'i, and as for the beginning of isya praying, ghurubu syafaqi is when the twilight is disappear. When the twilight is disappear, twilight, what kind of twilight is disappear? Al-ahmari, exactly twilight which has a red color, right? Wa akhiruhu, and the last time for praying Maghrib, tulu'ul fajari, I'm so sorry, and the last time for praying Isya, tulu'ul fajari, is when the dawn is rising up. So when the dawn is rising up, it means time for praying Isya is up, right? Dawn can means fajar sotik, right? Actually, al-fajar as-sotik, the true dawn, right? Wa awalu waqti subuhi, and the beginning of praying subuh. Wa awalu waqti subuhin, and for the beginning for praying subuh, tulu'ul fajari is when the dawn is rising up. Tulu'ul fajri, when the dawn is rising up. As-sodiki, which is the true dawn, when fajar sotik is rising up, right? Wa akhiru, and the last time for praying subuh, tulu'u syamsi, when the sunrise is coming up, right? So when the sunrise is coming up, it means is one of indications that time for praying subuh is out. And then what is the next? Al-ashfaku, kind of downs. Salah satun are three things. So exactly we are going to be dividing kind of downs, right? Going to be three parts or three things. What are they? Ahmar, wa asfaru, wa abyadu. So exactly we have kind of three from kind of downs, right? Firstly, ahmaru, red down, and then wa asfaru, and yellow down, wa abyadu, and white down. Ahmar, asfar, and abyad, red down, and then yellow down, and then white downs. All of them are kind of from the downs, right? Classificating of the downs. And then al-ahmaru, what the meaning of red down? Al-ahmaru, as for the red down, maghribun is indications for praying maghrib, right? So when we are speaking about red down, it's automatically will be indicating from maghrib times or times for praying maghrib. Wal asfaru wal abyadu, as for yellow down and white down, isya'uns, both of them are indicating from praying isya is coming. Wayundabu, and it's so recommended. Wayundabu, and it's so recommended. What is being recommended? Ta'khiru sholatil isya, for setting back praying isya. Wayundabu, it's so recommended. Ta'khiru sholati, for setting back praying isya. Setting back praying isya until when? Ila ayagiba, until being disappear. What is being disappear? Asyafaku, the down. So automatically, just from understanding from this text, it's like saying to us like this: we are is very recommended for setting back praying isya, right? Until ayagiba asyafak, until the downs being disappear, right? Al asfaru, what is disappear? As-safakun, the down. Al-asfaru, which is yellow or which has yellow color, while abyadu, and white color, right? So this one is indicating that we are very recommended for setting back praying isya, right? Faslun, yahrumu or tahrumu ila akhirihi wa mu'alam bisawab.